Hi guys, today I'm going to take you from Ubud up to Tagallalang and we're going to have a look at Cretya Ubud, Cretya Day Club. Now I have made a video on this before. It was some time ago, it was probably about 1.5 years ago or so, but last time I didn't go down into the rice fields. So this time what we're going to do is grab a gojek, head on up to Cretya, have a look around the restaurant and the bar areas. The bar areas are really cool and there are about 3 restaurants there. Then we're going to wander down into the rice fields and have a look around. They do have swings down in the rice terraces, they have zip lining, they have aerial cycling, and the grounds are really beautifully landscaped with trees and statues and little bridges, swing bridges that you can wander across. And I particularly like it when you wander across to the other side and look back at Cretya Ubud and the little restaurants that run along the ridge in Tagallalang. So I've ordered my gojek, so let's go grab the gojek and head on up to Tagallalang. Come on, let's go. Okay, can I have a helmet please? Gojek ride coming up here was 30 minutes on a bike, so I've got a bit of a sore ass and I'm hanging out for a bintang, but it was 30 minutes and it cost me 40,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is about $4. So it is a bit of a distance up here, just be aware. It's a good half an hour. In a car it's probably slightly longer because a bike can whiz through the traffic, but on a bike about 30 minutes. Guys, when you go into Cretya, down below there are rice fields that you can walk through. It's part of the entry fee. So that's where we are now. We're wandering around just looking at some of the statues and ponds and various other things in the area. It's quite a long walk and it's really hot because it's down in a valley. So do make sure you bring a hat and some sunscreen. My lungs, now I can't quit. When you lay next to you, got me questioning what I think is important. And oops again, don't know what I've been all I turn to when you make me sweat. Still I can't forget why as you kiss my neck. Still I can't forget Guys, thanks for watching my video. If you can, before you finish, can you push the little red button down in the right hand corner, I think it is. Push the little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. It'd be really great if you did. Just helps me make more like this. Thanks so much.
I can't forget why as you kiss my neck I can't forget.